might wonder, why isn't the number of outages shown on the outage map dropping? And why does the outage map show my power is out when it's been restored? Great questions. The answers actually come down to safety. With so many crews working on our system after severe weather, physical repairs are followed by remote safety checks after the crew has left to ensure that the system is safe and working properly before power is restored. This helps to keep our crews and customers safe. This also explains why your power may be restored after a crew has come and gone. For storm safety tips and information, please visit us at tampaelectric.com/storm center. Stay safe.